What's up everyone, it's Vnode here with C Hashfinders. If you're a developer trying to level up your game in 2024, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 10 tools that'll save you time and make your code cleaner and more efficient. Stick around. First up, we have Visual Studio Code or VS Code. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of code editors. It's free, versatile, and has a massive library of extensions. You can debug your code, connect to Git repositories, and collaborate with other developers in real time using LiveShare. VS Code is especially great for C#, React, and ASP.NET development. Next, we're talking about GitHub Copilot, and this one feels straight out of the future. Imagine having an AI pair programmer that's always there to help you write better code faster. It integrates right into your editor, suggesting lines of code, entire functions, even comments. It learns from your coding style and gets better over time. Trust me, once you start using Copilot, it's hard to imagine coding without it. Now let's talk about deployment. Docker makes deploying applications smoother by packaging your app and all its dependencies into containers. Think of it like shipping your app in a self-contained box that runs the same way everywhere. Docker ensures consistency from your development machine to the production server. If you're working with ASP.NET and React, Docker is a game changer for consistent deployments. Chapter 4. Postman, the API testing powerhouse. If you're building web applications or working with APIs, check out Postman. This tool is the gold standard for testing APIs. You can send requests, inspect responses, and automate your API testing to catch bugs early on. Postman's clean interface makes it easy to work with even complex API workflows. Chapter 5. Git Kraken Git, but way more visual. Let's be real, Git can be intimidating, especially for beginners. Git Kraken is a Git client with an intuitive interface, making version control less scary. It lets you visualize your Git history, manage branches, and resolve merge conflicts with ease. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a more visual way to manage their code base. Chapter 6. ReSharper, level up your C# game. ReSharper is a Visual Studio extension that adds code analysis, refactoring, and productivity features. It's like having a coding buddy suggesting improvements and helping you write cleaner code. ReSharper can refactor your code, find and fix potential bugs, and enforce coding standards. If you're serious about C# development, ReSharper is a must-have. Chapter 7. Jenkins, automate all the things. Jenkins is your go-to tool for automating your software development process. With Jenkins, you can set up pipelines that automatically build, test, and deploy your code whenever you push changes. This saves you time and effort, helps catch bugs earlier, and releases software faster. Chapter 8. SQL Server Management Studio, mastering your data. If you're working with SQL databases, SQL Server Management Studio or SSMS is your best friend. It's the go-to tool for managing, querying, and optimizing your SQL databases. You can write and execute queries, design database schemas, and manage users and permissions. SSMS has built-in tools to help you analyze and improve the performance of your queries. Chapter 9. Fiddler, unraveling the mysteries of web traffic. Fiddler is a web debugging proxy that lets you capture, inspect, and modify HTTP and HTTPS traffic. This is useful for diagnosing network issues, understanding web application communication, and testing APIs. Fiddler is especially helpful when working with web services or tracking down bugs in production. Chapter 10. Slack Teams Teamwork makes the dream work. Slack and Teams are essential communication platforms for any development team. They make it easy to stay connected, share files, and collaborate on projects. You can create channels, send direct messages, and integrate with other tools like Jenkins or GitHub. Outrow, level up your coding game in 2024. So there you have it. Those are the top 10 tools you need to know for 2024. Each one helps boost your productivity and keeps your code top-notch. Like this video if you found these tools helpful, comment your favorite tool, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips from C# Finders. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.